What's up guys, welcome back once again to the reviews. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Lightwings white, and they now come in white, which is nice to see for people that are doing white builds. I've previously done a review on these in the black version, so obviously they're going to perform the same. So if you want to see that, I'll put that up in the corner for you to have a look at, so you can see how well they perform. But I'm just going to unbox these and plug them in so you can have a look at what they look like when they're running. And basically just show you what they're about, and show you how good they are. So sit with me guys, let's get them unboxed, let's get them plugged in, and you can see how good they look. So these are the Be Quiet Lightwings in white, 120mm PWM. They do them a high speed version as well. So these are the standard versions. So we'll unbox them and we'll show you what they're all about. First, let's talk about the specs. Obviously, I've talked about this previously, but I'll just talk about these quickly. Standard 120mm fan sizing, max speed of 1700 RPM, and noise level of 20.6. We've got a CFM of 41.51 and an air pressure of 1.66, and they're a standard 5V ARGB connection with a 4-pin PWM connection, and should last up to 60,000 hours. So let's get these unboxed, have a quick look at them, and then we'll plug them in. So in the box, in this triple pack, as well as the fans, you get an ARGB hub, so you can connect them up using that, and obviously daisy chain, link them together using a hub. So we'll have a quick look at that first. So this is the hub. It comes in white as well. Nice to see, with white cables as well. So if you're doing a full white build, then you'll have white cables. If any of them are showing in your case, then obviously they'll all match in nicely. This can take up to 6 ARGB connections, so you can link 6 fans, or you could link so many fans, and then obviously ARGB strips and things like that, or anything else you've got that's ARGB with a 5V 3-pin header. Like I say, SATA cable there, and then you also have a link cable which goes in here, and that's to link to your motherboard, so you can pass it through to your motherboard and control all your RGB through your motherboard, instead of just basically being on rainbow mode, which would be on this. Then obviously, as well as the hub, you get your fans as well. So these are absolutely stunning in white. I mean, they look amazing in black as well, but in white they look absolutely beautiful. Really nice. Fortunately, I don't have any white components, so I can't do a white build. Hopefully we'll do that in the future, and hopefully we'll use some of these as well. So again, as I've shown before in my review of these fans in black, the build quality is absolutely fantastic. They're so heavy. They feel so robust and really strong. Really nicely built. They're just Be Quiet stuff, especially these, just scream quality to me. You've got your light loop ring around here. Obviously your fan blades have got Be Quiet's normal sort of ribs to them. Anti-vibration mounts in all 4 corners on both sides. Obviously the cage on the back there. And then you've also got RGB in these loops here, and we'll plug them in a second to just show you. 5V 3-pin RGB header and a PWM header as well, and also you get a pass-through to basically daisy chain the RGB. Unfortunately, there's no daisy chain on the PWM. I don't know why they didn't do that. It's the same on the blacks ones as well. That would have been nice to help with sort of cable management. So let's get these plugged in and have a look what they look like. Right, so we've got the RGB powered up now. As you can see, it's on the rainbow puke effect, and as you can see, it looks absolutely incredible. Obviously the fans aren't powered at the moment, because I'm just running them outside of my case just to show you the RGB effects of them, and I think you'll agree with me, they look absolutely fantastic. Not sure why they're just turned off, but they're back on in a sec. There we go. Look absolutely amazing, as Be Quiet stuff does. It looks absolutely fantastic, and as you can see, this is the back now. Even though they don't look quite as good as they do from the front, you still got some nice RGB effects from the front, and you can from the back, and you can see a little bit from the front as well. So it depends where they are in your case as to how they shine. But they look absolutely awesome. That's all I wanted to do really, guys, was show you the how good these look in white. So anyone out there looking for a white build and want some nice white fans, then definitely I can recommend these. Like I say, I've tested them before. Go and have a look at my review video of them, and you can see just how good they perform. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you do like this, then give it a like. If you didn't, dislike it. And then if you haven't already subscribed, then please don't forget to subscribe as well. These look absolutely fantastic, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.